what they're showing me, and I could draw a picture of it, but what they're showing me is basically like, say I'm here and the full me, all my energy bodies and everything are like, say this is me. This phone is my entire everything. It's like, my physical body is more like this little phone right here. But there's layers of my body outside of me that you can't see. But if I'm my authentic, like physical body, I'm going to call mine my authentic physical body, then I'm all of this, like everything here completely. If I'm disassociating, then I'm falling into like this created aspect of self that I see myself like in the mirror as, or that I'm associating myself with, and we create all these little like reflections of self. So I may fall into like this, and this self right here may believe that it's not part of this. So if I am in this, I honestly will believe that I'm like this. Oh, whoa, that was far. I'm like, oh, geez. I'll honestly believe that I'm over here, when in reality, I'm still in here. I just think I'm over here. Does that make sense, guys? But when we think something, because we are creator gods and because we're really in here, we're creating that reality as truth. So we can create sickness and illness. We can create cancer. We can create autoimmunes. We can create COVID. We can create, anything when we fall into one of these little like pieces of self that is almost like partitioned off from the whole. But when we can expand our awareness into being this and not falling into, this that thinks that it's this, that's creating little selves in here to either please others, or somebody, told you, oh yeah, she's a real fighter. She fights for everything. So here's your fighter right here, and you stay in there and you start to believe that that's you. Then whatever traits and qualities come with what people have placed on you, or what you've placed on it, or what you've learned from the media. Oh, a fighter looks like that, or this looks like that. You start to define things. You get stuck in this. And these are the pieces of us that get tired and sick and are not necessarily, they're created by this self in here. They're not created by this. So this is the one that has all the energy in it 24/7. This is the one that's like the little airplane getting gas. And these are the ones that are like, should be dead. They're, they fall away. So they're little pieces of personality that we can shed. So when we heal ourselves and we ask the pieces of our personality that we've created that are not authentically needed by us to stay connected to who we truly are. So it's not about Shelley or whoever asked that question, not about staying connected to God. It's about staying connected to who we truly are and who we want to be, and not what others have told us that we want to be.